Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to another vlog. I am so happy to be back after not uploading for 1 week straight, and I sincerely apologize. You guys know I've been really enjoying uploading, filming, everything of that sort. Like, I'm trying to be regular, but this week was just crazy. It was hectic, and then I fell sick. You'll see everything in this vlog. But also I just recorded this look for my Instagram, so you guys really liked it in the last video. The Keep Cool review that I did, उसमें मैंने ये eye look किया था, and a lot of you actually liked it. The only thing that I changed is the lashes. The lashes that I wore in that look was a little too big and too artificial looking, but this time I used a more natural looking one. So this is the look. Also, I just finished filming, so I just slipped into this, and also my skin was doing so great, but I also knew कि एक ना एक तो होना ही है, at least during that time of the month, which happened. So yeah, but anyways, I'm not gonna be too worried about it. So before you guys start watching this vlog, I just want to let you know कि this is all over the place, ठीक है? Monday was like crazy busy. Couldn't really vlog anything except just me working, and then Tuesday, Wednesday I think I vlogged, and then the rest of the days I did not. And then मैंने कल का vlog किया. So yesterday was Nikhil's birthday, and so the majority of this vlog is actually going to be us celebrating his birthday. So that's what you're going to see, and yeah, so you can now continue watching the vlog. Guys, good morning, happy Tuesday. I just woke up. I couldn't get proper sleep last night. Also बहुत late से नींद आई. So yeah, मतलब I have to like keep 2 pillows और फिर सोने की कोशिश करनी पड़ रही है, और उसकी वजह से I have like really bad neck pain. Also I think I have to log in a little early क्योंकि थोड़ा ज़्यादा काम है आज. By the way guys, ये है आज का नाश्ता. चूरा, चना, प्याज और हरी मिर्च. I love this nashta, by the way. Hey guys, it's 5. I just finished my lunch. I have a meeting now, so I shouldn't have picked up the camera right now. But I couldn't shower today. मैंने face wash किया, skin care किया, थोड़ा बहुत नाश्ता किया, and immediately started working. So I think I'll have to take a shower in the evening, maybe 6:30. So that's the plan. Also, a very random thing happened today. I was listening Doja Cat के सारे गाने on Jio Saavn. So ऐसा आज लग रहा है कि मैं नींद में काम कर रही हूँ, right? Because I couldn't really sleep. So yeah, so I was listening to her songs, and then all of a sudden there's this like बहुत weird and like cringy सा like गाना, हिंदी गाना आया, but it sounded more so English, you know, like those fancy Hindi songs. I'm like, wait, what the hell? Like, why is this so cringy? And then I realized कि वो कुछ mouth freshener का ad था. So weird. If the song comes up again or the ad comes up again, I'm gonna tell you what ad that was, and maybe then it will make sense why it was so cringy. Anyways, totally random. I better get going now. Also guys, all the new launches are now available from Huda Beauty on Nykaa's website. Oh my god, Tantor. I mean, I have seen so many people use this on their Instagram videos, and it looks like a product which is extremely easy to apply. And yeah, I so badly want to get it, but yeah, so that's that. But what I'm actually getting right now is, I think, only one product, which is their lash glue. So I'm running out of lash glue, and I really want like a nice lash glue. So yeah, this is what I'm planning to get. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Yesterday I couldn't vlog at all because I felt sick, and today it's that time of the month, you know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, then you can guess by this. I mean, why? like why? But I mean I knew that this would ultimately happen. I just always go through one of these once a month, and it's now. So now it's already 2. I woke up late. I have really bad cramps. I don't want to work. I want to take a sick leave, but I also have a lot of work. So if I do take a sick leave, then everything is going to be pending, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have to stress and finish that. I can't deal with that. So I would rather not take sick leave and just get to working. Guys, so I quickly had to jump in here and explain you what is it that you're going to see, because I didn't give you any context when I was filming those footage. So yesterday was Nikhil's birthday, and you guys have seen Nikhil in my birthday vlog. So yeah, so we wanted to celebrate his birthday here instead of going to his place, just because it would be easier for me and Pavitra to celebrate here because of the whole corona situation. If you guys don't know Pavitra, then she is one of my closest friend, not only mine, Nikhil's closest friend also. And yeah, so if you have watched my Lakme's lipstick swatch on 3 different skin tones, you would have seen Pavitra. It was a long time ago. So yeah, we have been very close friends since then. तो हमने plan किया कि हम तीनों यहाँ पे ही celebrate करेंगे. So that's what is happening. So everything that you'll see from here on is just us celebrating his birthday, giving him gifts, cutting his cake, having a great time. So yeah, that's what you're going to see. I just wanted to give you a little bit of context here.
Happy birthday, Nikhil bhaiya.
Actually thinking about it also.
I don't know if it will fit you.
Why? You got extra large like all.
This I had to buy extra large because ये large was a little small on the model. पहन के देख. Perfect.
I think it's a bit too much.
This also looks so small on
दिखा हो जाएगा आराम से.
Buy similar pattern.
This is the last of your gifts.
नहीं अंदर एक और भी है.
नहीं इतना ही है निखिल, ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट मत कर.
This is small.
ये तो एकदम सही है. वो वाइट कलर थोड़ा लग रहा है.
ट्राई करके देख.
ये हाँ.
Guys, we finally ordered DVC after 4 months, 4-5 months. Yes. So I ordered this cake, you guys. इसमें साइड में किटकैट है और बीच में जेम्स है. And yeah, actually we're waiting for one of my friends to arrive. Once she's here, we're going to cut this. Pavi is finally here. Pavi, outfit of the day दिखा दे अपना.
अभी और मॉम का दिखा.
You look so nice. तो ये है मम्मी और पावी का आउटफिट, दोनों सेम.
कवि के बारे में भी इंट्रोड्यूस करो.
हाँ पावी,
फ्रेंड है.
हाँ लोगों को पता है पावी कौन है.
कर दो ना, नहीं होता ना सबसे, कोई बात नहीं। मैं निकाल दूँ क्या?
खाओ खाओ,
खाइए, खाइए।
पहले तुम खाओगे ना, आज तुम्हारा बर्थडे है। अरे किटकैट भी खा ले। धीरे-धीरे आराम से।
ठीक है। मैं अभी तक होती पवी तो पूरा फाड़ लेती, वो
नहीं करता।
फाड़ ही दिया। Hey guys, so it is now 8:07 p.m. Nikhil and Pavi left long back, and I managed to get a little bit of workout done. After like 5 days, I think I worked out today for 30 minutes. By the way, after 5 days I worked out at all, so that's a yay. So that's how my Saturday is going so far. Now I don't think I'm gonna film anything today because it's already too late, and I'm gonna relax today. So I think I'm gonna plan videos for the coming month. Okay, so before I end this vlog, I quickly want to introduce these two products that Nykaa, I keep saying Nykaa launched very recently. So it's from their Wanderlust collection. You guys know that they have different fragrances or different variants in this, and my favorite so far definitely has to be their cherry blossom one. I love their cherry blossom scrub, absolutely love it. And they have rose variant, I think they have multiple variants. So anyway, so they launched this in Mediterranean sea salt variant, and so far they've only launched their shower gel and body lotion. So I used the shower gel today. It's really nice, it's very refreshing, oceany vibe, gives me very oceany vibes. I don't know how to explain fragrances, you guys, so I'm really sorry if I'm doing a very horrible job. But yeah, these are the two products I received yesterday from them. So that's all for this vlog, you guys, and I know this was all over the place, but I still really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, you had a really happy and just nice Ganesh Chaturthi if you celebrated it, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We are kind of close to 50k, not really, but still. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification right next to it, follow me on Insta for a tutorial like this and many more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I am hungry, yeah, yeah, yeah. I am hungry, yeah, yeah. I am hungry, yeah. Hungry, yeah, 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 yeah. I am hungry, yeah. Hungry, yeah. Hungry, yeah. Chop kar.